still live here in Port Clinton. I'm coming back with another vlog here at Port Clinton. We are now at the, appears to be the deadline here. And we have an old Conrail caboose here. How cool is this? You see that's, they have the old can opener logo there. Same thing that the NS Conrail Heritage Unit's got, not Conrail Quality or Operation Lifesaver or anything like that. Yeah, Conrail 24532. This is amazing. I gotta say, this railroad gets better every single time I come up this way. And it's Southern Railroad Company of New Jersey. Huh. I doubt that engine's not going to run again anytime soon, but...
They'll restore them one day.
Yeah, so that way he'll have a ABBA set or whatever kind of set.
One B set though.
Yeah.
They just want to do an ABA set then. But yeah, that is a Conrail caboose still in its Conrail glory.
Hey, good old Conrail days.
That's awesome.
And there's an engine block here on a flat car here.
That's an old engine probably waiting to get scrapped or something.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna...
No way that's gonna run.
Yeah. A lot of corrosion and stuff.
Not that running north to take care of it, but still.
Oh yeah. The old Conrail can opener logo. Brings back quite a few memories, doesn't it, rail fans of Conrail? Oh yeah, the good old Conrail days.
I wonder what he bought this from.
Good question. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed this vlog along with the vlog I did with 2102, and we hope to have see 2102 on its test run or the first few excursions this year. Alright, y'all, Shady Rest Paradise, signing off.